Hey guys, it's Mrs. Rush. This will be part 3 of the stem and leaf plot notes. This will be the last part of the notes for you guys to watch. Okay, I apologize earlier when I was writing the key, it got a little cut off, but what I was showing you, after you always do a stem and leaf plot, you make a key. So my key was going to be 31, so I did 3-1 equals 31 books. And it got cut off when I was writing that, so I'll show you that here. You'd write 31, and then it tells us up here we're talking about books read. So that's why we say 31 books. All right, awesome. Try to write that for you quick. It's kind of hard to write with this little purple pen, sorry. 31 books. Okay, perfect. All right, now let's go to the last part, last page. So here, I already have a stem and leaf plot made for you, and we're just going to answer some questions below using the stem and leaf plot. Okay, so it says use the stem and leaf plot below to answer the questions. Okay, before we do that, I'm going to list right here all the numbers that are listed in the stem and leaf plot. So starting with 0, remember anything that has a stem of 0 means it's less than 10. So the first number would be 3. We have a 3, then a 5, then a 6. If you notice here, see how there's a stem of 1, but then there's no leaves, it's blank? That means we don't have anything in the tens row. There's nothing that starts with a 1. So let's move on to the stem of 2. So the numbers that are in the 2 row would be 22, 22, 25, 27, and 28. And then the last stem we have is 3. So remember, that means 3 is in the tens digit. This is really anything that's in the 30s. So our first number would be 30 because remember, the stem is 3 and the leaf is 0. So we have 30, 33, 37, 39, and 39. Okay, great. So those are the numbers that are listed in our stem and leaf. Let's use those to help us answer the questions. So number 2 says, how many data values are in the set? That just means how many numbers did we just find? So you just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 data values in the set. If you hadn't listed those, you could also come up here and just count the leaves only. If you count the leaves, it should give you the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep, 13 data values. Great. Then we say, what is the least value? That means the smallest number. The smallest number up here, if we look, is 3. What is the greatest value or the biggest number? If you look up here, the biggest number is 39. What is the range? The range is, remember, when you take the biggest number or the greatest value, which is 39, and you subtract the smallest number from it, or the least value, which is 3. 39 minus 3 is 36. And then the last question says, is the value 24 in the set? So they just want to know, does our stem and leaf plot have the number 24? Let's look up here. Well, I don't see 24 listed in these numbers, and let me check up here as well. When I go to the row with everything that starts with a 2 for the stem, I don't see any 4 in the leaves in that row. So nope, 24 is not in this set, so I would put no. Hey guys, that is how you would look at a stem and leaf plot that they provide or give to you and answer questions about it. Thanks so much. I can't wait to see you guys at my Google Meets this week. Have an awesome week. Bye.